Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter of biology, and the name of the chapter is Neural Control and Coordination. In this chapter, we will discuss about the structure of neuron and the function of brain, parts of brain, and their function according to different components present in brain. So, first, why neural control and coordination is required, and what is neural control and coordination? What does the word control and coordination represent here? All of our body activities are under the control of human brain, means digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, all function under the control of brain. So there is a specific coordination should be maintained so that our body will properly function or our body will properly work. Means digestive system help in digestion of food, so energy is produced by this food and waste is removed with the help of kidney, and this food is transported in our body with the help of circulatory system. So these are the various steps which work in you can say coordinated way so that our body can be work efficiently. And in this, now neural control and coordination help in maintaining the internal body condition constant, and this is known as homeostasis. So next is coordination. Coordination is a process by which two or more organs complement the function of one another. And in this chapter we study about the structure of neuron and how the message is conducted in neuron and parts of brain. And we will also discuss about synapse and impulse here in this chapter. You can see in the last line it is mentioned that conduction of physiology means how the message is conduct from one neuron to another. This is also study it in this chapter. So next is neural system. Neural system vary from organism to organism, means human has a well developed neural system, that is it has brain and spinal cord. Simpler animals have simple neural system. You can see in this planaria there is a single, you can say, network of nerve which run from head to lower part of body, platform, platyhelminthes. And in annelida and earthworm, segmented nerves are present. And in molluscas, the tuft of neuron, means a group of neuron, is present. So according to different animals, neural system and its functioning vary or differ. Human neural system mainly divided into two: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system include brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system includes the nerve that arise from brain and spinal cord, means from brain cranial nerve arise and from spinal cord spinal nerves are arise. So spinal nerve and cranial nerve combine to form peripheral neural system, and they are further categorized into somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. Autonomic neural system is self-regulating, you can say auto means self-regulating neural system. It is further divided into two: sympathetic and parasympathetic. Yes, this slide explain about the function of sympathetic and parasympathetic. Generally, if sympathetic nervous system increase the speed of any reaction or any process, Then parasympathetic work just opposite to sympathetic, means these two neural system work antagonistic in nature. Antagonistic means just opposite in nature. You can see, if let's suppose sympathetic nervous system increase the heartbeat, then parasympathetic nervous system decrease the heartbeat. Just opposite, they work just opposite. And this sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves arise from spinal cord, means they are categorized into peripheral nerves. Yes, this is the structure of neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Neuron has different component. Neuron has dendrite and cell body and axon ending. Dendrite is that area by which message is received. Dendrite is that area by which message is received or impulse is received by the neuron, and this message is transferred to cell body. Cell body contain a liquid known as stroma. Cell body contain a central nucleus also. All the processes that are received by neuron are you can say calculated or analyzed here, and further this impulse is transmitted towards a long cylindrical area known as axon. Axon has a covering known as myelin sheath. Axon has a covering known as myelin sheath, and the gap between myelin sheath is known as, you can see there is a gap between myelin sheath to area. It is known as node of Ranvier, and then the axon and into the synaptic area, and there are about, in human brain there are about 100 billions of neuron present in human brain. So we must try to draw this diagram and know the function of each part of this diagram. Yes, on the basis of a function of a neuron, neurons may be categorized into bipolar, pseudo-unipolar and multipolar neuron. In bipolar neuron, it has two extension, that is one axon and one dendrite. Bipolar neuron is mainly found in retinal area, retinal cell, and pseudo-unipolar has you can say it has one axon only, and pseudo-unipolar neuron mainly found in embryonic stage, and multipolar neuron with one axon has two dendrites. An example of multipolar neuron is cerebral cortex. So thank you. This is all about in first part. In this part we must focus about the structure of neuron. We try to draw this neuron and the different components of neuron labeling the function. Thank you.